Have you ever wondered if you can use IPTV on your Chromecast device? Let's dive into this exciting possibility. Welcome viewers to an incredible journey of seamlessly integrating IPTV capabilities with your Chromecast. Transform your viewing now. First, visit 2tv.store, the top-notch IPTV provider ready to enhance your streaming quality and selection immediately. Grab your Chromecast and access your device settings. We'll guide you to unlock IPTV step by step. Connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast. This is crucial for a top-tier IPTV experience at home. Next, download the IPTV player and enter the bespoke credentials from 2tv.store. Your setup process begins here. Open the app, entering the playlist details from 2tv.store. Watch how your channel choices expand dramatically. Now, cast your screen from the IPTV app to Chromecast. Enjoy an unparalleled range of global channels instantly. You're all set. Now indulge in a world of viewing options that you've unlocked with IPTV on Chromecast. Revolutionize your TV time with 2tv.store. Experience flawless integration and endless entertainment possibilities today. Stay tuned for more tech tips and enjoy your new IPTV Chromecast journey. Until next time, happy streaming.